Go.
Hi, EC North. This is Jill over here, and my son Bryce is here joining me. He's not really used to the camera, but he's going to help me with a science experiment today. Jamaica and I know that EC North love to use water. And so we thought it would be interesting if we were able to give you some water science experiments that you can try at home. Right now I'm on my sun porch because it's a beautiful day, and Bryce is out here. He's gonna go run around in a moment, but he's gonna hang out with me here to help me and be my assistant. So I gathered all my materials here, but what I want you to do is go ahead and get some paper. You can fold it up just like this and make your own little science journal. Or if you only have a limited amount of paper, you can take one piece of paper and you can fold it in half, and then you can fold it in half again. And when you open it back up, watch this. You're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So you can go ahead and do that now. Take a few minutes to gather that and write on the cover, Science Journal. That's what I'm gonna do right now. Science Journal. And I can keep my water experiments in here. All right. I've labeled my science journal and it's ready. Today our experiment is going to be about how color moves in water. So this is going to be something that you need your family's help with. You're going to fill up a jar full of water. And then you can take some food coloring. If you don't have food coloring, you can use oil. But I think it will be easier for friends to see when I use food coloring. This is where Bryce is going to help me. Hey Bryce, what color should we use?
Green.
Okay, Bryce really likes green. So what he's gonna do is he's gonna open that up, and what his job is gonna be, he's gonna drop 3 little drops of green into my water jar. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, you can put the cap on, Bryce, thanks. All right, we don't want it to get too messy, but we're gonna look and observe. How is the water moving? Bryce, what are you noticing about the way the water's moving?
Slowly.
Slowly. I thought it was swirly. Do you find it swirly?
A little bit.
What are some other words you can think about?
Greenish.
It's kind of changing all the water, yeah. I also noticed it was curvy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open my science journal up. Here it is. And I'm gonna draw out the jar that I am gonna putting my water in. And I'm gonna just draw out some of my observations. And here I have my green marker ready to go. And I'm noticing the water, it's slowly moving. And the words I noticed were swirly and curvy. You wanna try to draw a little bit, Bryce, of what you're observing? Thanks. So he's gonna go ahead and do that. Another thing you could do, while Bryce is doing this, we'll get a close look at his observation in a minute, but another thing you could do is you could test out if it moves differently in hot water or warm water or cool water. You have to have a grown-up help you with that because we don't want a lot of water to spill and a lot of water to, we don't want a lot of water to spill. We don't want a lot of water to spill. I'll cut that. Okay. We don't want a lot of water to spill. And Bryce drew his observation here. So I would love to see, and Jamaica would love to see, if friends could try an experiment like this at home and see if they can come to some conclusion about the way water moves. Thanks, friends. See you soon.